Hey my baby pandas, and welcome to one of the trips I took in 2019. I wanted to share with you guys this amazing trip and bring you guys onto the beach. So this is the first portion of the video. I'm just showing you how the beach looks like and just how magnificent and how blue the water is. I love it and I miss it so much. And I kind of bring you guys more closer into the ocean. You guys see this? Oh my gosh. By the way, this is my very first voiceover. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. But I'm just showcasing how blue the water is and of course how the beach area looked like on this resort. And here you can see how clear it is as well. Those are fishies. We saw so many fish. And of course there's an awesome little boat out there. And then this is how it looks like from the little hut out in the ocean. There's a seating area. That white building there has like 2 restaurants, a club, and it just kind of is like the beach party building. Pretty fun. And then now I kind of showcase how the pool looks like before you enter the beach area. And it was great. Such a good, beautiful view, and all of the trees that surround it. And then here is the outside of one of the villas. So all the buildings match. This was our villa, villa number 1, and that bottom floor to the right there is where we stayed for the week. And now I'm gonna take you to the back of the villa, to one of the swimming pools. So surrounding most of the villas, there's swimming pools located next to it, which was really convenient and amazing. And here is a ride. They do take you back and forth from the beach to your villa. So here's a little clip of a ride that I took. She's still in. We're going to Villa 1.
Villa 1.
Yes.
Beep, beep.
This is a fun ride, man.
So, like one person.
How's your day?
Very good. We're having a good day.
Did you drink too many coronas? Tequilas?
I did pina colada.
Not alcohol or a little bit?
A little bit. My mom, tonight we do margarita.
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 Alright, tonight we drinking margarita. Hola, hola. Hola, hola, Coca-Cola. Meat, 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 meat.
This is fun. I love this.
5 minutitos, pasando Villa 3.
Our driver.
He said it's 5 and 3.
Alright, that's number 1 for you.
Thank you. Hey my baby pandas, so here is the room tour. So we are gonna start in the beginning. So where you just saw, I basically came into my little suite. So over here we have the kitchen, which is amazing. First of all, I've never had a kitchen in my life when I went to an all-inclusive. So I have a kitchen. I have this beautiful dining area. So gorgeous. I freaked out when we first came in here. Honestly, I was just expecting a room. I'll be real. And here, out here is our little sitting area, and this is our view. It's gorgeous. Nice sitting area. And then let me show you the little living room area. And then that's like a washroom over there. This is the door we just entered from. And you saw the kitchen on that side there. And there's my mom. Wave, Mom. Hello. So moving on, we have our little bedroom section with beautiful sliding doors. Let me just show you the fancy. Goodbye, world. So this has a sliding door that separates the kitchen living room area from the bedroom, but let's just focus on this amazing bedroom. So we have a TV in the living room and then a TV in the bedroom. And this is our beautiful bed. And yes, that is my pillowcase that I brought. I always bring a pillowcase when I'm traveling. And then here is the washroom area. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous. Look at that, so beautiful. Here's closet, have my luggage over here. A huge bathtub, we're just hanging our swimsuits there. But a huge bathtub, you can take bubble baths. Here's a standing shower. And here are the sinks, 2 sinks, and then another washroom. This is probably the best room that I've ever gotten in terms of resort. But let me just go back. So this is the kitchen again. My mom's just playing with the lights. But look at that, guys. This is big, okay? I am very impressed. The kitchen is super clean. And let me just stand in the corner so you can see the whole thing. So let me just scroll through. It's big. All right, and here is the nighttime view of the pool that you saw earlier during daytime. So quiet, so peaceful. So this resort is not known for its party night thing. There wasn't a lot of partying going on at nighttime. There's a lot of families on this resort, but I did not mind it because I enjoy the peace and just eating and lounging. So for me, I'm not a party person, so it was okay. But if you are looking for that type of resort where you want to party, this resort is probably not for you. So here's just more of how that building looks like, by the way. And here's a little garden display tunnel that you can walk through. It was really nice. Kind of show you guys a little bit of that. Look at it. And then here, there's animals on the resort. There's a lot of lizards and monkeys. I freaked out. I was so glad we actually got the monkeys because they're pretty quiet.
Oh, there it is,
But on this one day, we just caught them. Super, super lucky.
Oh! Oh my god.
So let's talk about the food. This is one of the restaurants on the site, and this was the Thai place. Here's some margaritas. Here's some spring rolls. So again, this was one of the resorts. I think there's 9 restaurants in total. We visited basically the main ones. So this is all a part of the Thai restaurant. I love this one. If you go on this resort, please reserve your bookings, because some of the places where you go and eat, you need to reserve seating. So please do that, I would say, on the first day you arrive. Not all of them require reservation, but for the ones that do, please do. Right now, this one is the beach area eating. You just saw some squid, and tacos are coming up right next, and of course they had the ceviche, which just passed. Super yummy, and eating this by the beach is fabulous. What is next? Oh yes, this one I think is if I could remember it correctly, is the steakhouse. It's either the steakhouse or it was the Mediterranean place. Really good. I had no complaints with any of the restaurants that was available. They were all so yummy. Oh my gosh, I gained a lot of weight. I'm actually still working off the weight. But look how good the food is. Lots of seafood. Their beef was amazing. Their steak was amazing. Here's desserts. Oh my gosh. Like, you can just eat and eat and eat. And I tell you, that's what I did. And this is their Japanese restaurant. That's some gyozas. Some sort of spring roll there. There is, what is that? That one had like rice and tuna. There's raw sashimi. Here's more sashimi. This is the tuna. Look how pink it is. Oh my gosh, so good. And this one, which one is this one? There are so many restaurants we hit up. Oh yeah, this one is still the same place. They actually had rice and steak. Really good. Here's their little tapioca dessert.
Now, Jap, go ahead.
And here's just a random seared tuna salad. So good. And right here, there is a ceremony happening. And they were doing prayer. And I captured this, and me and my mom were very lucky to actually be a part of it. You'll see in this clip that my mom was getting cleansed. I also got cleansed, and they did their prayers. It was beautiful. For this next part, I am gonna kind of not talk so much so you guys can enjoy this. So this is something that they put together so we can enjoy their culture and also ceremony, ritual. I adore it. So please enjoy this next part of the video.
Okay, so I'll meet you at time. Okay.
Alright, so we're ending this off with amazing fireworks. This happened on one of the days where they had like a wine festival or something. That was a little chaotic, I won't lie, but the fireworks, I was shook. I did not expect fireworks at all. So this kind of made that night better. So there's the beautiful fireworks. And then now this is just me on the last day, walking to the beach for the last time, touching the ocean before I fly back to Canada. Rating. So if you guys are interested in going to this resort, I would give this resort an 8 out of 10. I would recommend it. I would definitely go back. It was probably one of the best all-inclusive resorts I've gone to. I had a great, wonderful time. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you need more of me, I'll have all my socials down below. I love you, pandas!